tree-top house. That is kind of you, owl, but I must say no, because I am having tea with the Gruffalo. A Gruffalo? What's a Gruffalo? Don't you know the Gruffalo? He has knobbly knees and turned out toes, and a poisonous wart at the end of his nose. I am meeting him by the street, and his favorite food is owl ice cream. Owl ice cream? Goodbye, little brown mouse. I certainly don't want to meet this Gruffalo. Silly old owl, doesn't he know there's no such thing? Where are you going to, little brown mouse? Come slither with me, have a feast in the log-pile house. That is kind of you, snake, but I must say no, because I am having a feast with a Gruffalo. A Gruffalo? What's a Gruffalo? Don't you know the Gruffalo? His eyes are orange, his tongue is black, and he has purple prickles all over his back. I am meeting him by the lake, and his favorite food is scrambled snake. A scrambled snake? Goodbye, little brown mouse. I must go. I certainly don't want to meet this Gruffalo. Silly slimy snake, doesn't he know there's no such thing as a Gruffalo? But wait, what's this? No, oh no, this can't be a real creature with terrible tusk and terrible claws and terrible teeth in his terrible jaws. He has knobbly knees and tongue. No, oh no, it's the Gruffalo. Who's this walking in my woods? A mouse. You will taste good. Don't call me good, for you got it wrong. I am the scariest creature in this whole wood, and everyone is afraid of me because I am strong. Everyone is afraid of you? That cannot be true. Just walk behind me and then you'll see. All right, I'll follow you. They walked side by side. Every creature ran to hide. Hello, fox.
Goodbye, little brown mouse.
Hello, owl. Goodbye, little brown mouse. Hello, snake. Goodbye, little brown mouse. See, everyone is afraid of me. Everyone is afraid of you, but how, but why? Because I think I reach high. I may be small, but brains are best. When you think different, you beat the rest. I'm so hungry. My tummy is beginning to rumble. And my favorite food is Gruffalo crumble. Gruffalo crumble?